Okay, now we can get up close and personal with these trout eggs. Now these are called eyed eggs, because you see that black spot? Or in some of them you can actually see the two. Whoops. Those are the two eyes of the fish as they're developing. They're the darkest spots in there now, so we can see them. And it's important to see these eyed eggs, because once they have eyes, it means they've reached a level of cellular development that it's actually safe to move them. If they move around at all before that stage, most likely the embryo won't start to form so that it can eventually become a fish. So it actually means that they're developing well. That's why you can see that, those eggs, those eyes. And remember, the rest of those things that we can't see are undifferentiated cells. And just like us, this little fish started off as two cells, one from mom and one from dad, the egg cell from mom and sperm cell from dad, and now is slowly starting to form into a real fish. And we're actually going to see them as they grow and they develop. A lot of that stuff that we see, that color, is actually their food. They don't have mom here to feed them, so they have to be eating that once they're born. Okay? Let's see what they look like next week. Oh, you can start to see some of the shape in there. See, it's starting to form the backbone. Okay, now each one of those squares that you're looking at is a centimeter square. So you could say this is about a third of a centimeter, right? Okay, 3 millimeters in length, each one. And eventually they're going to be fish. They're going to be 26 centimeters. So they're really going to grow a lot. Okay, they got to go back in the tank.